Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious banana pudding cupcakes, guys. Yes, I think it's fair enough to say that we all love a good banana pudding. Banana pudding is so delicious. It's just like so nice and creamy. It melts in your mouth every single time. And I figured, guess what? Let's incorporate it with some delicious cupcakes. Nice, moist, decadent cupcakes. And I think the two would pair really nicely. So without further ado, guys, let me introduce the ingredients and we are gonna get started. All right, I have cake mix, of course, straight out of the box. Don't get no more simple than that, as well as the ingredients that's required for the cake mix, which is eggs, water, and oil. And I also have my cupcake pan already lined and ready to go. We have vanilla wafers, banana pudding, or should I say vanilla pudding, as well as milk, whole milk to be precise. So yes, to this bowl, guys, we are gonna add our cake mix, our yellow cake mix, yay! As well as our water. Now here's the thing, whatever brand you decide to use, it might require different ingredients, or should I say different measurements, as well as oil. So make sure you follow what it says on your box precisely in order to make a perfect cake, all right? As well as eggs. Follow the instructions, follow the guidelines, all right? And we are going to combine all of these ingredients until we have a nice smooth consistency. And that is it. We are done. All right, took to about what, 2 seconds? More like what, 3 minutes? 2-3 minutes. Talking about 5 seconds. Yeah, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lady, you still mixing. What are you talking about? All righty. Using this spatula, I'm gonna make sure I get everything, all of the contents at the bottom. We don't want any dry cake mix lingering at the bottom of the bowl, all right? So we are gonna mix it really well, make sure everything is well incorporated, and we are going to be a little bit unconventional, okay? Because it's whatever works. I'm gonna use my soup ladle to help assist with getting this cake mix batter into these cupcake liners properly without making a mess and trying to hold it up and aim. So I'm just gonna use the soup ladle and still make a mess, basically. So much for that, right? Alrighty. Okay, and we're just gonna place it in there. Don't fill it up too much because obviously it's gonna overflow. Once it starts to bake, it's gonna rise even more, and you don't want it to overflow. Okay, so far we are doing well. We are doing superb. How's it going? It's going well. Okay, once I'm done, I'm gonna clean up the cupcake pan because we're not gonna put it in the oven looking that messy. Okay, 6 down and 6 more to go. Bam. And in my opinion, using the ladle makes it a little bit quicker. Just drop and go. So how is everyone doing today? How's the weather in your neck of the woods? I hope everybody's doing great. Alrighty. Okay, don't you make a mess. Don't you make a mess. Okay, not so bad after all, right? Okay, this one I could put a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do is with this remaining batter, I'm gonna add it to another pan. And let me see, I might just add it to a loaf pan. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add it to a loaf pan. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. And we are gonna concentrate on these right here, okay? All right. And we are gonna clean it up. Click, 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 clean it up and make it look nice and neat. What I like about this recipe is, guys, it's so quick and easy, and it's so delicious, as I mentioned earlier. And it's something that you can do, put together like really quickly, especially for the holidays, or just, you know, just because, basically. One of those just because recipes. You want some banana pudding, and you also want cake. Perfect combination. Make the two and sit back and enjoy. Okay, that's it. We are gonna put these delicious looking cupcakes into the oven, and we're gonna allow them to bake until they fluff up really nicely. And then at that point in time, you guys are gonna see exactly how I put together everything. So continue watching, guys. We are back, and of course, as you can see, our delicious cupcakes are fresh out of the oven. I allowed them to cool for about 15 minutes, and we are ready to make our delicious banana pudding. So to this bowl, guys, we are going to add our pudding, of course. And for this particular recipe, I'm only using half the box. Now here's the thing, to make the pudding, it usually requires, obviously if you're using the whole box, 2 cups of whole milk. But since we are only using half of the box, I'm only gonna be needing 1 cup of milk. All right, so we are gonna add the milk. And I am gonna give everything a good stir and allow everything to thicken up. And once it starts to thicken, we are in business. Just a few seconds. Doesn't take long, guys. Not at all. This definitely beats making pudding the old-fashioned way. Having to use egg yolks and all that stuff. My goodness. Such a convenience. I'm starting to feel it get thicker. Starting to feel the resistance. This is perfect. Alrighty. I am so tempted to taste it. So tempted. It looks so nice and creamy. Alrighty, this is it. That's it for that. I am just gonna slide this right on over here. I got the bananas on hand. And so the cupcakes, we are going to use our little pokey thingy. You can always use the back of a wooden spoon or any type of little poking device is good enough. And we are gonna poke right in the center of these cupcakes, because did I forget to mention, we are making banana pudding poke cupcakes. Yes, guys. So we are gonna poke a hole right in here, or almost sort of like a Twinkie, right? Poke it right in there, make sure it's big enough. And we are gonna do the same thing for every cupcake. Yep, just right in the center, just like that. And once we're done, we're gonna put the poker down. And we are going to, using a piping bag, because it's gonna be much easier to use a piping bag, trust me. I think any other way is gonna be not as easy, trying to literally get this pudding to go into the hole. So we're gonna use our ladle once again. And just pour it into the bag and hope that all of the contents go down to the bottom. This is so creamy and decadent. Creamy and thick. All right. Okay. Put that to the side. I am so tempted to taste it. Listen, at this point, that's what I'm gonna do. Wow. Goodness gracious. That is absolutely delicious. Alrighty, we are gonna take our cupcakes and we're just gonna squeeze it right in the center, right in the middle. And we're just gonna bring it up to the top, just like that. And we are gonna repeat the same process, just bringing it to the top. Absolutely gorgeous. Our banana pudding poke cupcakes. Fill her on up without making a mess like I am, right? Now look at how beautiful. Wasn't hard at all, right? Absolutely beautiful, quick and easy. And to this, we are going to add some Cool Whip. Just a little spoonful, right? Just like that. Add it on the top, just like so. Nice and pretty. It's gonna give it a nice taste and flavor. Make it taste even creamier. Okay. Come on down. Alrighty, just like that. Gonna put that off to the side. And we are going to add a nice fresh slice of banana, because why? Banana pudding. Yes, it's banana pudding. Alrighty, right here. Slice it really nicely. We're gonna add it right here to the front, just like that, right? Who doesn't love cooking with me, right? It's a lot of fun. Fun. Let me see, right there, just like that. And we're gonna hit off the other one, doing the same thing. Absolutely beautiful. Just like that, of course. Bam. Right there, right there. And I'm gonna eat this banana. Alrighty. And got some mini vanilla wafers. Now guys, should I stick it in the back or should I stick it in the front? I'm not sure. I might just put it in the front as well. Just like that. How pretty is that? Banana pudding poke cupcakes. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and one more for the road. Okay, hey, what should I say? Woohoo! Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Quick and easy, right? And come on, who can't, literally, who can't put this together? This was so easy. And to be honest with you, like if you have kids, cousins, nieces, nephews, this is something that you can actually do with them because it's so much fun. It's fun. All right, speaking of fun, we're gonna have even more fun because guess what? It's taste test time. And it's time to taste these delicious banana pudding poke cupcakes. And I can't wait to dig in. I might just eat the paper. Want to take the first bite? How beautiful. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I don't want to eat it. Psych. And you got the cream filling right here. Like a little Twinkie, but even better. Oh wow. It's so creamy and everything. The cake, obviously nice and moist. And the banana pudding is absolutely soft and just creamy and fluffy. And everything else. It's just so complimentary. Not to mention the Cool Whip, nice and mild in contrast. Absolutely delicious. Get that banana. And of course, guys, for full recipe details, definitely head on over to cookingwithtammy.recipes. And of course, even though you saw me making it, I have precise instructions as far as how much to use and so on and so forth. So that way it makes it a lot easier. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me and cooking with me. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.